My bad, y'all. Phone was dying. I had to charge it up real quick. So look, back to where we was at. So every word is a code. You know what I'm saying? Speak life or speak death, positive or negative. You know what I'm saying? When you talk in a certain kind of way to people, how do you know that you're not poisoning them? By using specific wordplay. It don't matter how it's coming out. We call that passive aggressive. You know what I'm saying? You gotta understand this stuff. So passive aggressiveness, a lot when you're using certain wordplay, it's still getting the same. It's still putting the same effects on other people. Now, what kind of person are you? You can think you one kind. You can say to everybody that you one kind of person, but me, I'm gonna know who you are. I'm gonna know who you are. Before you open your mouth, I'm gonna look at how you're walking, how you talk. Before you talk, me personally, just me personally, and this way before I even got into all of this, I can feel people's energy before they even open their mouth. I already know what kind of person they is. You know what I'm saying? Too many patterns, too much mathematics going on that I'm already tapping into for too long since I've been on this planet. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, you can try to confuse me by telling me something that I don't already know, but I'm gonna walk with understanding. That's another duality, understanding versus confusion. You know what I'm saying? I won't be confused. I mean, I'm gonna teach y'all how to use that as well. I'm gonna teach y'all how to use these dualities as a tool, you know what I'm saying, as a weapon in your life so you can empower yourself. You know what I'm saying? Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. You know what I'm talking about? So, and what you put out is what you get back. That's a warning. That's a warning. That's a warning. That's a warning. I'm telling you, what you put out is what you get back. So be careful with what you think you about to do to somebody. You better have some love in your heart. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can do what you want to do. That's why they be trying to show you in movies with like witches and shit. They be like when they get all older, they be all older and wrinkly and shit like that, depleted of energy and shit like that, negativity. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying that's what that's all about. Warning. So if they negative, that is, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, moving forward. So all right. So this would be like low frequency, saying something like I'm trying. All right. This would be high frequency. I'm committed. Like, oh, I'm trying to get this done. Yeah, I'm trying. Low frequency, low shit, low frequency. Now I'm committed to making sure I get this done. So right now I can't do that. High frequency, commitment, dedication. You know what I'm saying? For real though, to get shit done, it's gonna get done. It's gonna get done. Cause you gotta believe. You know what I'm saying? That's another duality. Belief versus doubt. We're gonna get into that one too. I'm gonna teach y'all how to use it. You gonna know when you get done with bro. For sure. Yeah, I'm rhyming. See what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? This is for the tribe. This is what we do. I just happen to be the one that come show it to you. That's all it is. So tap in with me. You know what I'm saying? This is viable. I mean, I'm gonna try to have fun with it, but at the same time, this is very important. This is some stuff that is helping us evolve. You know what I'm saying? Not as just mankind, you know what I'm saying? All humans, everybody get to evolve with this one, you know what I'm saying? For real though. Just saying because of the level of awareness. So look. Alright, so I made these charts, right? Let me see if I can show y'all the chart. So these charts I made, it's a dude, Dr. David Hawkins. He came up with some charts a while back. He passed away, but I'm gonna give credit where credit is due because he gave me the guides. He gave me the, you know what I'm saying, the basis, which is all true. He did his thing on that one. It's all true. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I guess he was trying to teach people, you know, about stillness and, you know, reaching transcendence and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? With me, I'm gonna give y'all a practicality on how to get it done in real time. You know what I'm saying? When you talking about transcendence, we talking about evolution, empowerment of self, knowledge of yourself on a not on surface level. We gonna get deep with it for real though, for sure though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have you when you're done with me, you're gonna feel good about yourself. Let's just say that. All right, so got the charts for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how to use the daily chart. So I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown of something on the chart, so you kind of get a basis. So this frequency chart, all right? Everybody should get you a frequency chart. Basically, if you want a frequency chart, just comment, or you can email me at KD. Wait, hold on. Which email we using today? Kdro. You can email me at KDroVision. That's KADRO Vision VISION at gmail.com. KDroVision at gmail.com. Just let me know you're gonna email me in the comment section or something like that, and I have a frequency chart sent over to you. It's gonna cost. Won't cost you much, but it's gonna cost. You know what I'm saying? And that's just gonna get you started. So as you're watching these videos, you'll have something like as a guide to keep you going, so you can. I'm telling you, it ain't hard. It's simple. It's very simple, for real. I told you it's duality. Everything is duality. Everything is duality. Straight up. You're going with that yin yang shit with the black and white. Duality. That's what it means. Good and bad. I'm gonna teach y'all good and bad. But you better be operational with your soul. I'm gonna tell you why. That's the whole story of Adam and Eve. For those who don't know, Adam and Eve is about masculine and feminine energy. As feminine energy rose up, masculine energy had to rise up with her, and they rose up to that tree of good and bad. You know what I'm saying? Using that Kundalini energy. You know what I'm saying? That Kundalini serpent rose them up without the guidance of the soul. It starts at their heart. You know what I'm saying? Without the guidance of the soul. So because they became so smart and intelligent, it was imbalance. Sin equals imbalance. That was the fall. You know what I'm saying? So holiness is balance. You know what I'm saying? Guided by your soul and its truths. You know what I'm saying? So, and if you don't know, just go find out. That's what you do. You gotta do some research, because your soul want to learn and grow. Your soul wants to remember. So you go do the research and help your soul to remember. Then it's gonna piece it together and it's gonna let you know what time it is. That's how they go. That's how they go, for sure. So, all right, check this out. Understanding versus confusion. Positive versus negative. Everything is duality. You know what I'm saying? Enlightenment, shame. These are emotions all up and through there, all right? So, this is an emotional awareness chart. This emotional awareness chart is going to help you navigate your emotions to attract or repel, or, you know what I'm saying, do whatever you got to do with your time in your life. Because using this stuff, I'm going to be able to help you in business. You want to help with relationships. You want to help with personal development, depression, getting off drugs or something. Whatever you want help with, I got something for you. For sure. This gonna help you, for sure. What I got for you is gonna help everybody. You know what I'm saying? For real though. I'm just being honest. But it's gonna take something though. And I'm gonna teach you how to get that. I'm gonna teach you how to get those tools that you can use to make sure you're gonna be good. To make sure you're gonna be good. Then it's on you at that point. What you do with the tools is on you. But you'll be fully aware of why things happen in your life the way they happening after that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know I'm for real. So I ain't made up nothing. So, alright. Check it. So, we got a saying that we used to say, check yourself before you wreck yourself, right? So, now when we say check yourself before you wreck yourself, just know that means checking your temperature. You know what I'm saying? And let's say that the way that you check your temperatures is off of frequencies, emotions. Emotions are energy in motion, all right? So that's how you're checking your temperature, you know what I'm saying? So basically, I'm going to be teaching y'all that too. That's what you're going to be getting. Learning how to scan yourself, elevate, realign anytime you feel unaligned. You ain't going to need no drugs. You don't need none of that. You don't need nothing. You don't need nothing but yourself. Nothing but yourself. And what you already need to survive, the basics, that's all you need, for real though. And you're going to be able to do whatever you want to do in life. But you got to understand, you can't be confused about it. I'm going to make sure you ain't confused about it. So, I'm gonna give y'all one thing you can do to tune yourself in, all right? Let me see. This is one thing you can do to empower yourself, just to let you know that where I'm finna take you is gonna be some real time, all right? The next time something negative happens to you, or matter of fact, You can just do it right now if you want to, but you can wait till something negative or anything negative happens, all right? What I want you to do is take a deep breath like you're mad at someone frustrated. Like, I want you to do that. And simultaneously while you're doing that, I want you to quiet your mind. I want you to quiet it. And I want you to ask yourself in your head, what should I do now? What should I do next? That's it. That's all you gotta do. And I guarantee, from doing what I just said, you're gonna know it. The next time you do you're gonna be happy that you did what you did. You're gonna be happy that whatever you did after that, you're gonna be happy that you did what you did, as long as it was positive. That's it. As simple as that, as long as it was positive. If it's negative, you're not gonna be happy. But if you do that, and you make sure that you ask yourself, what should I do next? And you know it's something positive. You make sure it's something positive. You're gonna be happy you did that. But be patient with yourself as you're doing it. Process that. Let it process. Take a few seconds, like 30 seconds if you can, you know what I'm saying? Watch, you will see. You're gonna know that I know the way. That's just at the tip of the iceberg right there. So you ever thought about somebody and they called your phone? Like you thought about somebody, right? And they up and called you. You know what I'm saying? Like, do you think that was a coincidence? In my world, ain't no such thing as coincidence. No such thing as a coincidence. I don't believe in coincidences. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do not believe in coincidences. What you put out is what you get back. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta monitor. You gotta balance. You gotta balance. You know what I'm saying? Yin and yang. I ain't trying to say you gotta be all light, but you can't be of the dark all the time. You know what I'm saying? Can't be of the dark all the time. Some of y'all don't even know what the light and the dark is. You know what I'm saying? But it's that simple. It's just duality. Light and dark. Light and dark is simple shit. Might not be a part of that world. Might not be a part of that world. But welcome to this world. Welcome to my world. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the creed. Since maybe you knew. You know what I'm saying? You knew. But you here now. So congratulations. Welcome to the party. So, anything like that, anytime you think of something and it pop up on your phone or somebody call you and you think of them, anything like that, all of this is based on electromagnetic energy. You know what I'm saying? What you put out is what you get back. Now see, y'all go again. Y'all be like, nah, that's the algorithm. It's the data searching. All right. Did you put that out there? Did you put something out there like that? Did it give you back what you put out? Did you think about something and then it popped up on your phone? Have you ever thought about something and it popped up on your phone? Don't lie to yourself. I'm just saying, don't lie to yourself. So now you know. It's electromagnetic. It's a spiritual equation behind that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna teach y'all about all of that. It ain't hard. It's simple. You know what I'm saying? So here go an example right here. Intention plus alignment plus word plus emotion equals manifested form. All right. I ain't gonna say it again. I have to rewind it. You wanna hear it again? So you ever let's see. You ever read something in the Bible and it just like resonated so hard with you? Like you just like, you felt that and you ain't even really biblical, but you just sometimes you read the Bible and you just into it, like it drew you in, or you went to church and you don't really go to church a lot, but you was in there and you was like really feeling it though. Really feeling it though. You know what I'm saying? It's a reason for that. It's a vibration, a frequency. I'm not saying that God was outside in the room floating around or something, or angels touching on you and shit. Like, I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is that some kind of way it made you feel something on the inside when what other people was doing in your external environment. You know what I'm saying? I just think about that though. So I want y'all to go ahead to join my class. You know what I'm saying? And learn some things with me. And for those who really want some top tier stuff after we get through with these lessons, you're gonna have to join the master class. You know, the master class is for the ones that want to be masters. You know, it say something in the Bible. It say, do not cast pearls to swine or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying y'all swine, but you gotta show me that you not that this is for you, because these are pearls. You know what I'm saying? So that's what that is. Tapping out.